Today we are installing an antenna mount flagpole holder on this Bronco. This flagpole holder can hold a flagpole and an antenna. It comes with 3 different sized screws and an Allen wrench. In addition, we need to prepare 2 hexagonal wrenches. Before installation, we need to remove the 2 screws on the tailgate. There are 2 spacers on the flagpole, which are corresponding to the 2 screw holes on the original car. First, we tear down these 2 underlay. Use the 2 screws inside the accessories to install the 2 underlays first. The 2 fixing rings on the flagpole are movable. We need to fix him first to the underlay.